Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Defense Exam. So guys, here we are with the important days of March month. Okay, before starting the video, if still you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe it. Okay, so let's start our video. The first day is celebrated as the Zero Discrimination Day. Okay, the 1st March is celebrated as Zero Discrimination Day. The 3rd March is celebrated as World Wildlife Day. Okay, the World Wildlife Day is celebrated all over the world for the protection of wild animals, and this year theme was forests and livelihoods, sustaining people and planet. Okay, so do remember it. The 4th March is celebrated as National Safety Day. In Hindi, we call it as Rashtriya Suraksha Divas. Okay. This day is celebrated because National Security Council was established in 1998 on this day by then Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Okay, and as you also know that Maritime India Summit was going on in in March month. Okay, so we also celebrated Chabahar Day. Okay, as you know the Chabahar port. Okay, so the Chabahar Day is celebrated on 4th of March on the opening session of Maritime India Summit. Okay, 7th March is celebrated as Jan Aushadhi Divas. Okay, and this year the theme was service as well as employment. That is सेवा भी और रोजगार भी. Okay, the same time you will do service as well as you will gain the employment. Okay, come on to our next slide. 8th March is celebrated as International Women's Day. Everyone knows, okay, that 8th March is celebrated as International Women's Day, and this year theme was Women in Leadership, Achieving an Equal Future in a COVID-19 world. Okay, so that women come forward and achieve the equal opportunities, not even in normal situation but even in the pandemic situation too. Okay, so this year theme was Women in Leadership, Achieving an Equal Future in a COVID-19 world. Okay, the 10th March is celebrated as CISF Raising Day. Okay, and as this year was also the second Wednesday. Okay, so on second Wednesday of the March month, we celebrated as No Smoking Day. Okay, this year second Wednesday fall on 10th of March. That's why we celebrated No Smoking Day on 10th March. Okay, the 11th March is celebrated as World Kidney Day, and this year theme was living well with kidney diseases. How can you live well without affecting by the diseases? Okay, now come on to our next slide. The 12th March is celebrated as World Day Against Cyber Censorship. Okay, very important because you know nowadays cyber attack is a very major problem, not for India but even other countries too. Okay, cyber attack that is a problem that major countries are facing nowadays. Okay, 14th of March is celebrated as World Pi Day, and as you know that the formula is circumference upon diameter. Circumference 2 pi r and diameter 2r. Cancel 2 and r, we got a pi. So this is the formula of pi. Okay, and pi is a Greek letter. Okay, and Albert Einstein also born on Pi Day, that is the 14th of March in 1879. Okay, there are we can also write it as 22 by 7 or 3.14. Okay, so 14th of March is celebrated as World Pi Day and also as the birthday of Albert Einstein. Okay, 15th of March is celebrated as Ram Krishna Jayanti. Okay, in India we celebrated it as Ram Krishna Jayanti, And in the worldwide, we celebrated it as World Consumer Rights Day. And this year theme was tackle plastic pollution. Okay, World Consumer Rights Day in India, you have heard that is the Jago Grahak Jago. Okay, same. So 15th of March is celebrated as World Consumer Rights Day. Okay, 16th of March we celebrated as National Vaccination Day. Okay, and this year theme is polio eradication as well as the current COVID-19 threat. As you know that most of the countries of South Asia are trying to eradicate polio in their countries. Okay, and this year theme was also related to polio, but the focus is on polio. But as you know that since the last year the pandemic came, so the focus is lies in between these two, that is the pandemic as well as polio. And in the theme, that's why they highlighted both the issues, polio as well as COVID-19, polio eradication as well as the current COVID-19 threat. Okay, 18th March is celebrated as Global Recycling Day. As you know, recycling is very important. If there are three R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. These are very important R to maintain our environment sustainable. Okay, and this year theme was recycling heroes. Okay, 18th of March is also celebrated as National Biodiesel Day and Ordnance Factories Day. These are the national days. Okay, and Global Recycling Day is international day. Okay, 20th of March is celebrated as International Day of Happiness. Okay, as you know that recently the World Happiness Report has came, and in which the India's performance is not good. Okay, and this year theme is happiness for all and forever. Okay, 20th of March is also celebrated as French Language Day for French people. Okay, World Sparrow Day, and theme is I love sparrow, and also for World Oral Health Day. Generally people ignores their teeth, that's why to highlight the problem of teeth and mouth, they celebrated the World Oral Health Day. And this year theme was be proud of your mouth. Okay, 20th of March, on 20th of March there are two days which are also celebrated, that is the Digital Cleanup Day and International Astrology Day. Okay, they are not too much highlighted, but still they are celebrated in their respective field. Okay, now 21st of March is celebrated as International Day for the Elimination of Racial Discrimination. You know, generally people are suffer from racial discriminations, not even in the higher levels, but in the smaller levels too, in our ground levels too. Okay, it is not a problem of one country, it is a problem of the whole world. Okay, generally you heard in US about the black and white people. So what are these are the racial discriminations. Okay, 21st of March also celebrated as World Poetry Day. Okay, International Day of Nowruz. Nowruz is a Persian New Year. Okay, it is an Iranian Persian New Year. Now means new, and Ruz means day. So it is a New Year. Okay, World Down Syndrome Day, and its theme is we decide. Okay, other day 21st of March is also celebrated as International Day of Forests, and theme is forest restorations, a path to recovery and well-being. If we restore our forest, definitely it will give a path of recovery and also as well-being. 21st of March also celebrated as World Puppet Day, International Coloring Day. Okay, so two other days were also celebrated on 21st of March, that is the World Puppet Day, Kathputli, and International Coloring Day, Antarashtriya Rang Divas. Okay, make sure to remember all these days. 22 of March World Water Day, and this year theme was valuing water. Okay, important. 23rd of March World Meteorological Day, the oceans are climate and weather. 24th of March World Tuberculosis Day, and this year theme was the clock is ticking, means अगर हमने अभी ध्यान नहीं दिया so the cases will rises and the condition become worst. Okay, ट्यूबरकुलोसिस भी आपको पता है लंग्स की प्रॉब्लम है एंड कोविड इज ऑल्सो रिलेटेड टू लंग्स. सो द थीम इज द क्लॉक इज टिकिंग. International Day for the Right to the Truth Concerning Gross Human Rights Violations and for the Dignity of Victims. It is also celebrated on 24th of March. 24th of March, we celebrated the 4th day on this day. The first one is International Day of Remembrance of the Victims of Slavery and the Transatlantic Slave Trade. Okay, when the trade occurs in the transatlantic area, so there are many people who are kidnapped there and they made themselves and they made their slaves. Okay, and they transferred those people into different areas, different continents. So the 24th of March is celebrated as remembrance of the victims of slavery, the persons who became the victim of slavery. For the remembrance of those people, we celebrated the 25th of March. The other day is celebrated as International Day of Solidarity with detained and missing staff members. Okay, एकता का दिवस से सॉलिडारिटी दिखाते हैं उन लोगों के प्रति हु आर डिटेन, जिनको बंधक बनाया गया, एंड मिसिंग स्टाफ मेंबर्स. ओके, International Day of the Unborn Child. Some people, there are so many unborn child who died due to some health issues. So that's why we celebrated 25th of March, International Day of the Unborn Child, and also International Waffles Day. 26th of March is celebrated as International Day of Purple, Global Day of Epilepsy Awareness. To raise the awareness, to create awareness about epilepsy, we celebrated International Day of Purple. 27th of March is celebrated as World Theatre Day. Okay, World Bipolar Day is celebrated on 30th of March, and this year theme was Strength for Today and Hope for Tomorrow. आज की ताकत कल की उम्मीद. Okay, and National Doctors Day or the World Doctors Day, this is also celebrated on 30th of March. It is called National Doctors Day because this is the US National Doctors Day. Okay, in US. Okay, that's why it's also called as National Doctors Day. 31st of March is celebrated as International Day of Transgender Visibility. Okay, so for the help of transgender people, we celebrated 31st of March as the International Day of Transgender Visibility. Okay, so guys, in this video we have completed the important national and international days of the March month. In the coming videos we will do the April, May, June and so on. So please kindly join us in this series, and still if you haven't subscribed our channel, do subscribe it. Don't forget to like and share, and you can also join us on our Telegram, Instagram and Facebook, wherever you are. The link is given in the description box, and don't forget to mention your queries in the comment section below. Thank you. Never give up.